Hey, if you want to get the paid font styles for free on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus, you can get them for 10 minutes for free. So you have to open the settings, go into the display. From here you have to go into the font size and the style and tap on the font style and click to download fonts. You will have to be logged with your Google account. If you don't know how to do this, I have a second video on my channel where I'm showing you step by step how to do this. And from here, for example, I want to get this one, the Oh milkshake, and as you can see I have to pay for it. And to try it for the free, click to try it out. And now as you can see, we can just try how it looks. And you can also click to see sample, so you can see how it looks when you adjust the font size. Click on the bold font, and yeah, that's basically it. When you want to pay for it, just click on this button, and here you can use the payment method. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.